Hello there, it's Christian from Granthams in Retford. So today I'm going to be showing you a 2022 WEINSBERG Caravan 400LK with the double bunk at the rear. So we're going to start off on the outside of the Caravan. So as we can see here at the front, we've got an Alco stabiliser. It's got the 13-pin Continental socket, jockey wheel and handbrake. Got a nice large gas locker there at the front and the one-piece window. So coming round to the near side, you've got an external locker there which will take you directly under the front seat for storage. Got your vents there for the oven and the fridge. Got a lovely design and alloy wheels, and it was also equipped with the Alco wheel locking point just there. Awning light just above the door. And then coming round to the rear, you've got your lights, and then you've got a window for both bunks at the back. Got a nice bit of decal on the outside there. I've got this sort of dark brown, if you like, and then a bronze look as well. Goes the whole way across the Caravan. Your Dometic toilet cassette is just in here. Got your entry point for your mains on site, and then the inlet for the internal water tank. And that will bring us back round to the front. So we're just going to step foot into the Caravan now. I'm going to pull the door behind me, it's a little windy today. So, it's a really sort of small Caravan. It's 5.93 metres in length. That is the shipping length of the Caravan. And it's got a maximum weight of 1,200 kilograms. So it's great for those that can't necessarily tow a heavy Caravan. And with regards to the size, it's good for sort of fitting on driveways. Now, looking at the front of the Caravan, you've got your seating area just here. You've got some large sort of lockers up there. And there's a spotlight underneath on each side. And you've also got a really bright LED there at the top. There is a curtain that pulls across for privacy when you've got this set up into a double bed, and that table there does drop down to assist in making the bed. You've got tabards on the windows at the front, and you've also got fly screens with blackout blinds fitted to all the windows. So this one has been equipped with the Socket Plus pack, which means that you get a USB port at the front just here, and in the kitchen area you also get another plug socket. On this one we've also gone with the option of having an oven. So it's a nice two-tone grey with a blue lining on the upholstery, keeping it really neutral. And round here we've got the kitchen. So you've got a full-size Dometic fridge with a separate freezer compartment at the top. To the left of the fridge you've got a drawer just here and a cupboard underneath, and then you've got the oven grill. Got a deep sink here and a mixer tap, and then we've got the 3 gas burners with the splashback behind. Lovely little LED strip light running under the cabinetry. And there's your 2 plug sockets there, and then your light switch. Couple of spots just above the lockers as well. So this one is the one with the double bunk. You also have different options with this, so you can have this as a dinette, but also you can have it as a triple bunk. And there is a light on the top bunk, and as well on the bottom bunk. Nice comfy memory foam mattresses. Just in here we've got the wet room. So you've got your sink, which also works from the top as your shower head, which will go up to here. Got your shower curtain just there, and then you've got the toilet with the shower tray underneath, and you've got a hot air vent there to create some heat in the bathroom. To the left of that, we've got a nice large wardrobe. And you've also got your heater just underneath there. And there we have it. That's the 2022 WEINSBERG CARAONE 400LK. Like I say, this one has been fitted with the socket plus pack and the oven, and it's got the double bunks at the rear. If you've got any questions at all, you'd like to pop me an email, it's christian.pearson@granthamcaravans.co.uk. The Caravan is available to view at our site here at Retford, situated just off the A1. You can give us a call on 01777 838 193. Or just pop in. We're open 7 days a week, Monday to Saturday 9 till 5, and then on Sunday 10 till 4. Thank you for watching.